To start, let's open Semrush, an all-in-one SEO tool that helps you find and analyze keywords. Instead of guessing which terms to target, Semrush lets us see real search data, competition levels, and ranking opportunities instantly. If you don't have an account yet, that's okay. You can do everything I'm going to show you today for free. Normally, Semrush offers a 7-day trial, but if you use the link in the description below, you can get an exclusive extended 14-day trial. So go ahead and sign up, then meet me on the Semrush dashboard. On the Semrush dashboard, go to the left side nav bar and click on the Keyword Magic tool. We'll start by brainstorming our seed keywords. Seed keywords are just the broad topics we know our audience cares about. For example, if you blog about healthy recipes, your seeds might be vegan recipes, keto diet, or quick meal prep. We'll use seeds to find thousands of related terms. Enter a seed keyword relevant to your niche or business. In my case, I'll put chocolate chip cookies, because I have a little bit of a sweet tooth today. Click search. The reason we start with broad terms is so we don't miss hidden gems. Today, AI-generated content and increased competition mean you need to grab any specific angle or sub-niche you can, and that's exactly what this tool helps us find. Semrush now shows us related keyword ideas, their search volumes, and competitiveness, also called keyword difficulty. I'll explain what each metric means right now, and then we'll put it into practice. Search volume tells us roughly how many times people look for that keyword each month. Difficulty, or KD percentage, hints how tough it'll be to rank for that term. This is scored from 0 to 100, with 100 being the hardest and 0 being the easiest. Today, there's a ton of AI content out there, so picking moderate or low difficulty keywords can give you quicker wins. Another critical factor Semrush gives us at a glance is search intent, which simply means, what do users actually expect to find when they search this keyword? It could be informational, meaning they want to learn something, transactional, meaning they want to buy something, commercial, meaning they're researching before buying something, or navigational, meaning they want a specific website. Matching your content to the right intent makes it way easier to rank. As we scroll through here, notice some queries are pretty long, like this one here, chocolate chip cookie recipe without brown sugar. This is called a long tail keyword. Long tail keywords might have fewer searches, but they're golden because they reflect specific needs and less competition. This is especially helpful with more people using voice search, asking full questions to various AI assistants. At the top, we have a bunch of filters. Let's set a difficulty filter to the easy and very easy range. So under KD, we'll say 0 to 29, which is the very top of the easy range. And we'll click apply to see what remains. We'll also make sure to sort by search volume, highest to lowest, to spot decent traffic opportunities. If you have these 3 bars with the biggest one at top, that means you're sorting highest to lowest. If you need to update this, simply click on it. Here's lowest to highest, and back to highest to lowest. Now we've narrowed our list down to keywords with decent search volume but lower competition. This gives us some quick win opportunities with the potential to rank faster.